Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if your keeps overheating on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and turn off do not disturb mode. Make sure turn off do not disturb mode. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings and scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings. Enter, click on setting, reset and enter your phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if your keeps overheating on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.